Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Akshay Learning. This video we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 7 Chapter 2 Fraction and Decimals Exercise 2 question number 6. Right, so this question is write each decimal as fraction or mixed number. Right, so what we have to do is, first of all, you can see that decimals are given and we have to convert these decimals into fractions or mixed numbers. So it can come in mixed numbers or it can come in fractions. Both is perfectly okay. We already know how to do this. If any decimal is given, right, we'll start solving only. Right, first is 0.15. so 0.15 we write this as 15 upon 100. all right, 15 upon 100, or you can simplify this. Why 15 upon 100? Because we remove the decimal point and write this number which we will get after removing the decimal point, that is 15. We write it as it is and upon and 1, and after that the number of zeros, that is 2 here. Why 2? Because after the decimal there are 2 places, right? If there were 3, so 3 zeros, like this we'll do. And we also have to simplify this, right? So 3 upon, and this 5 will be 20, right? And will it be simplified further? No. So 3 upon 20 here. Alright, and next the second one, this is 1.25, so we'll get 125 upon 100, right? Remove the decimal point, you get 125, so write it in the numerator, and in the denominator 1 with the digits after the decimal point. So 2 digits are after the decimal point, so 2 zeros here, right? We again simplify this, so we'll have here, we'll simplify by 25 only, so 5 and 4, right? So we get 5 upon 4, or you can write it as 1 whole 1 upon 4 as well, right? So mixed number is this, mixed fraction basically it means, right? So 1 whole 1 upon 4 here, clear. And next one we have in the next one we have 0.49, right? So this will be written as 49 upon, and 1 and 2 zeros, sorry, 2 places after the decimal means 2 zeros in the denominator, right? So after 1 we put 2 zeros here, 100, right? Now can it be divisible by any number? 49 it goes by 7, but 7 it won't, cut 100, right? So we'll write it 49 upon 100 only because it is in its simplest form, right? Then fourth is 3.8. 3.8 we remove the decimal, so 38 upon, and after decimal there is 1 place, so we write it as 10. And we simplify this, so you can simplify this by 2, 5 and 1 and 6, 19, right? And you will get here 3 whole 4 upon 5. Alright, we'll convert that to a mixed fraction. Whenever we get improper fraction, always convert it into a mixed fraction or mixed number, whatever, right? Then fifth one is we have 6.25, so it becomes 625 in the numerator, right? 625 upon, and 1, and after that 2 zeros. Why? Because after decimal we have 2 places. We'll cancel this thing again. By what can we cancel this? Let's cancel this with 25, right? So 4 here and here 62, so out of this 50 2 times and 12 there, so 125 goes 5 times, so 25 and 4. Now can it be simplified? No. So we'll convert this thing to a mixed fraction, so we get 6 whole and 1 upon 4. You can do the division, I'm doing it mentally here, right? So 6 whole 1 upon 4. Now let us move on to the next part. Now next part is 7th one, right? Sorry, 6th part, and this is, what does it say? It says 3.105, right? So 3.105, this can be written is into a decimal as 3105 upon 1000, right? So what we'll do is simplify this. Can we simplify this by 2? No. Can we simplify this by 5? Yes. So we'll simplify it by 5. 6, 6, 2 and 1, and here we'll have 200, right? Now can we simplify this by any other number? Let's see, so 6 there, no. So 21, can it be divisible by 2? No. So 200 goes by 10 and 621. Can this be divisible by any other number? No, right? So we will now convert this to a mixed fraction, right? So we'll get here, let's solve it. So we'll get 600, so 600 goes how many times by 200? 3, right? So 3 whole and 21, right? 21 upon and this 200, all right. And 21 is a prime number? No, it's not a prime number, but still can it be simplified? No, right? So 3 whole 21 upon 200 becomes our answer, right? Next we'll move on to the 7th part, and this one is 17.32, right? So we'll write this as 1732 upon and 100, right? Because 2 zeros. Now we'll see if it is divisible. It's divisible by 2, so let's cut it, right? So 17, 8 from this, 16, 1 there, so 6 and 6 again, 866, and here 50, right? Again by 2 only, so we'll have here 25, and this becomes 433, right? Now by 25 will go by 5, right? But this won't be divisible by 5. 433 upon 25. Now we'll convert this into a mixed fraction, right? So we'll divide it here. Let's divide this because I don't know the table of this, right? So 25 here, so minus 25, 13 minus 5 is 8, right? 8. And can we subtract, divide this any further? No, right? So we won't divide any further. This is completed, so we'll get our answer as 17 wholes, right? And 8 upon 25. This becomes our answer, and it cannot be simplified any further, right? 17 whole, 8 upon 25. Let's move on to the next part, right? Now we'll move on to the 8th part, and this one is 3.0625, right? So we'll get 30625 upon and 1 and 4 zeros, so 1 0 0 and 0 and another 0, right? 10,000. Again we'll simplify this. Let's cut this off by 5, right? So 30 goes 6 times 6, 1 and there, so 2 and 2 there, 5, so 6125, and here 2000, right? Again by 5 only, so we'll have it here 400, right? 20 goes 4 and these 2 zeros, and here we have 1 and 1 there, so 2, 12 and another 1 there, so again 2 and 1 there, 5, so 1225, right? Again we'll simplify this by 5, so we'll have it here 40 goes 8 times, so 80, and here we'll have 2 and 2 there, so 4 and again 2, right? Now again we'll solve this by cut this off by 5 only, right? So 80 will go 1 and 3 there, so 16, and here what do we have here? Let's see. So 20 goes 4 and 4 there, 45, 49, right? So we have 49 upon 16, and any other number which can divide this thing? No. So we get 49 upon 16. This will convert into the mixed fraction, right? So 16 1s are 16 and 16 2s are 32, and 16 3s are is 48, right? So we'll have it here 3 whole and 1 will be left, so 1 upon 16. This becomes our answer. Let's move on to the next part, right? Next one we have 9th part, right? And this one is, what is it? 0.7812 and 5, right? This will again be written as 78125. There is no need of this 0, so you can just remove it, will have no impact, right? Now 78,125 upon 1, and now count the number of decimal places, 1 2 3 4 5, so 5 zeros after 1, 1 0 0 0 0, 5 is it? Yes, it's 5, right? Again we'll simplify this, so let's cut it off by 5 only, all right? So 2 and 4 zeros as it is, and here we have 1 2 there, so 5 and 3 31, 6 and 1 there, so 2 and 2 there, 25, so 5. Now again we'll cancel this thing by 5, right? So we'll have it here 3 1 and 2 and 12 there, so 3 1 25, right? And here we'll have 4000 again by 5, so we have here 6, and over here you can see we have 6 30 31, so 6 from this 30 times, right? And 1 there, so we have 2 here and 2 there, so 25. And here we'll have 800. All right, again now we can see, can we take any bigger number here? Yes, we can take it over here. Let's just cancel this by 25 to make the process even clear, right? So 62 goes 50 from this 2 times, and 2 there, 12 there, so 125 goes 5 times, right? 800 from this 25 will go how many times? 75 goes 3 times, right? And 5 there, so 50 goes 2 times, so we get 25 upon 32, right? Can this be further simplified? No, this is the simplest form. Okay, so this becomes our answer, 25 upon 32. Now let us move on to the next part. Next we have the 10th part, and this is 14.01 and 2. This will be written as 14,012 upon, and 1 and 3 zeros, right? So 3 zeros over here, so you can write it like that. All right, again we'll cancel this thing by what? By 2 this time. 7 0 0 and 12 will be here, so 12 goes 6 times, right? Now here we'll have it here 200 pretty clearly, sorry 500, not 200, 500, right? Pretty clearly visible. And now this 500 again will cancel by 2, right? So we have it here 250, and here we'll have 3 and 1 there, so 5, right? And 0 and 3, so 3503. Can we cancel this by any other number now? 5 2 7, and here 5 3 8 and 3 11, right? So no, no, we cannot cancel this thing by any other number now, right? So we are left with 3503 upon 250, right? So we'll divide this thing again. Let's divide this thing here, right? Right, so we have 3503 divided by 250, right? So we'll get it over here 350, so minus 250 from this 1 times, right? We'll be left with 100, and this 3 will come down. So what will we get here? 250 into 1000, right? How many times? 4 times, right? So minus 1000 4 times, right? And 3 here. Now we'll stop here, so we'll get 14 whole 3 upon 250 as our answer. 14 whole 3 upon 250. All right, and friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe, hit that bell icon down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourself, and bye bye.